how to fix Instagram incorrect password problem on your iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like Instagram incorrect password problem on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the settings from your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to turn on this airplane mode from here. And after you turn on this airplane mode, you'll have to just wait for a few seconds. And again, you'll have to turn off that. And after you done this, you'll have to go with the option general. So simply tap on it. Alright, so from the general section, you'll have to scroll down and go with the options like VPN and device management. So simply tap on it. Alright, so from this section, make sure that you are not connected to a VPN from here. You'll have to just turn off the VPN from here. So after you done this, you'll have to just back from here, and from here you'll have to verify that you have the updated version of Instagram on your iPhone or not. So for that, you'll have to open the App Store on your iPhone. Alright, so simply from here at the bottom right corner, you'll have to tap on search, and from here in the search field, you'll have to type for Instagram. Alright, so after you tap on the Instagram app, you will be able to see the if any updates are available for your iPhones. So from here you can update the latest version of Instagram on your iPhone. So after you done all of the procedure from here, you'll be able to fix that problem. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.